This is Esnat from Life 30 Clinic Build and Health. I'm really glad to continue this journey with you where we are learning and understanding about massage in a deeper, more meaningful way. It has come to my attention that many people experience about massage simply because they have heard about it and also because they have seen someone receiving the treatment. But they actually really don't know what massage is. So many people think it's just a matter of you go in the spa and then you lie down and then waiting for the therapist to touch the body. But that is not the big truth. So if it is going to be your first time going to the spa, it is very important that you understand and that you don't just come as a passive client, but someone who understands and connect with what is happening in the body during the treatment. So that's why I felt it is very important to bring this topic on the clarity. In the previous video, we spoke about what massage is and why is it very important in our body and the entire overall well-being. So today, I want us to go one step more deeper. Because it's not just a matter of going in, lying down at the massage table, and then relaxing and enjoying that moment. There is a lot of things that is happening underneath that experience. But before we go deeper, I think it is also very important that we should also understand when we speak about massage today, it is not something as new, but it is actually the oldest healing practices in the world. Historically, massage was used in ancient China and India as part of traditional healing system like Ayurveda, where touch was used to restore balance in the bodies. Also, it was used in ancient Egypt and Greece, where manual techniques were used to support muscle recovery. So when we are talking about massage today, we are not talking that something is new, but we are just continuing the healing practices technique that have been existed across thousand of years across different countries. So now, let me bring it back to the body in a simple way. Now let me tell you what happens. When the massage begins, your body starts responding immediately. And this is because touch is not just physical comfort, but it sends the communication with the nervous system. It sends the signals to the brain that your body is safe, which helps the nervous system to relax. So when the body relaxes, stress hormones like cortisol begins to reduce. You can see how important massage is. It's very important that you really need to try one. So you should understand what I'm explaining here to you, and so you should also make yourself to find the answer there. At the same time, the muscles, especially the tight and stressed areas, begins to release the tension. And this is why when your therapist works on tight muscles, it is good because it helps the tissue to soften and encourages a better blood circulation. So when we work on your bodies, pressing more pressures, this is the reason because we want to encourage the better blood circulation in the bodies. Good news. When blood circulation improves in our bodies, it helps our bodies to receive more oxygen and nutrients. This helps also to support the healing process and muscle recovery. And then that's why when we talk about massage, it is not just a comfort experience, but it has got a lot of benefit afterwards. Massage is a therapeutic process that supports body's natural ability to restore itself. So this is how sometimes many people after the treatment, they say they feel lighter, and also they feel calmer, or even emotionally released, because they have experienced what exactly massage is, and also they have started receiving the benefit after the massage. Yes, so we can't wait also even you to start experiencing it, and also that you should also say you feel lighter, calmer, and you even feel more emotionally released. You are most welcome. Massage is not only physical, it is also affecting your emotional state and mental. So when we are talking about massage today, we are not only talking about relaxation, but we are talking about helping your body reset, restore, and rebalance itself. So this is just a small part of what your body experiences during a professional massage. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I truly appreciate your time and your willingness of learning about massage in a deeper level. In the next video, we are going to explore more the deeper benefit about it. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.